Let's get your Porsche. Oh, I was there 25 years ago when he got it, and it just sparkled. Oh, let's make it sparkle again.
I go straight a little bit, right there. I'll be fine. We'll be fine. Oh yeah.
Okay, come back.
Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Hey, the stop is outside. Okay, the phone, Let it go.
That's it. That's good. Right there. Stop. 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 All right, here it is. We drove a few hundred miles for this. So I saw this car when it was just purchased with only about 14,000 miles on it. Been in this car going about 150. I was in a M635 also at the time, doing about the same speed. With my buddy, the next time around we switched cars. So we're going to try to get this thing back on the road. It's an 85 928S. Engine was rebuilt maybe 20,000 miles ago. It's a 5-speed, black on black. It's never been painted. Never been in an accident other than this driver's door was hit. And I believe that's the reason it has the salvage title. But other than that, very complete, all intact. Needs a good thorough cleaning. Yikes, a lot of black widows in there. So we're going to see what we can do. Maybe the hood hinges might be stuck. Yeah, it's aluminum hood, don't pull too hard.
I don't want to bend it, but how do you open it?
It looks like it's just kind of
Maybe the hydraulic cylinders are stuck. Or is it pinched?
no, it's not pinched. We'll have to look at that in a second. So anyway, we're going to put that on the trailer and take it down to Tommy, see what he thinks, see what might be involved with just getting it roadworthy again, clean it up.
There it goes.
Oh, here we go, you got it. Yeah, we just kind of hung up.
Alright.
Yeah, very original. slotted 16-inch wheels. It was last, let's see, 2013 when it was last registered. It's been on non-op. All right, that's it for now.
It's a little dirty. It's been sitting in the field for a number of years.
Yep.
I'm sure it needs a timing belt.
2.
Yeah, I'm sure it needs a timing belt, and then they always suggest the water pump at the same time.
Yep.
Just because it's convenient.
Water pump runs it.
Because
Oh,
it's
does it?
convenient.
Timing belt runs water pump on this.
Oh, does it? Okay.
Yeah, that's all internal.
And there's a tensioner as well, a timing belt tensioner.
So there's a-
I get the whole carousel set up for it because this probably needs it all.
Okay.
There's a kit you
Carousel's
can
got
buy.
the-
You
yeah,
can buy
the-
a kit for
It's called
the.
a carousel kit.
Okay.
That's got the timing belt, all the tensioners, all the guides, the pulleys, the water pump pulley drive. It's got the whole setup.
If you add a shot of ether, it'll start, because that's the way I started it before.
No, it won't spin. Not enough power.
Straight drive or automatic?
5-speed.
Push the clutch in. Right.
No. Oh. Yeah.
Can't hold it. It's getting too hot.
Okay. You know it spins over. It turns over. That's
You
it.
burned your finger?
Yeah. Got
Let's
that
see.
hot that quick.
Oh,
Dang,
wow.
that's-
Holy cow.
My hands are indestructible. I whacked them off. I had them sewed back
Holy
on.
cow.
This one got caught in the track of a caterpillar and it mashed it clean off. They put it back on and sewed it, drilled holes through my fingernail and pulled it back down and tied it. This is at Bowman Gray School of Medicine. And he said the only thing it's a little pointy now because it pinched the whole end off. It used to keep a scar right across there.
It came out pretty good.
Put
I
it
think
back
you was a
on.
bionic man.
Chainsaw done that. Kicked back. Yeah. And took them clean down.
Holy
They were just
cow.
dangling. I put the rag around and went back to work. I said, I'm feeling a little dizzy. What's wrong?
Yeah.
Took me to the hospital.